In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to translate your Shopify store into multiple languages. Firstly, before we can start on translations, we must add the specified languages to your Shopify admin. To do this, navigate to the Settings options on your admin panel. From there, you will find a section labeled Languages. Click on Languages and look for an option titled Add Language. You will be presented with a drop-down menu. From this list, select the language you wish to add. After you've selected your language, click the option that says either Add or Next to proceed. At this point, Shopify might ask you to toggle specific markets where you wish to add the new language. Just click on the ones you prefer and move forward. Now, with the new language added to your Shopify settings, the next step involves translating your store content. Shopify automatically adds a useful app called Translate and Adapt every time you add a new language. To use this application, go into the Apps section of your Shopify admin, then locate and click on Translate and Adapt. From here, select the language that you initially added and wish to translate your store into. Shopify will then ask you to pick resources like products or collections that require translation. Once that's done, key in your translations as needed. For your convenience, Shopify's Translate and Adapt features a side-by-side editor that allows you to compare and cross-verify your translations, ensuring the highest possible accuracy. Another added benefit is that Shopify offers automatic translation for up to 2 languages for free. However, if you need assistance with more languages or require advanced features, you may need to use third-party applications. These can be found on the Shopify App Store, with examples including the likes of Weglot or Elfsight. These apps offer a wide range of language support and more advanced customization options to further enhance your store's multilingual capabilities. Keep in mind that these may come with associated costs. Once the translation part is completed, it's time to publish your newly added language. Go back to Settings, then Languages in your Shopify admin. Under the section labeled Unpublished Languages, find and select the new language you've translated. Look for an icon represented by 3 dots arranged vertically, often found next to the language you have selected. Clicking on this will give you the Publish option. Finally, hit Save to make your new language live, and thus it would be made accessible to your customers. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now well equipped to entertain and engage customers in a multitude of languages. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy